Hey, how's it going? How do you delete a Facebook or deactivate or hide a Facebook commerce account? This is one of the questions that I've received from one of my subscribers, and I want to show you today exactly how to do that. Now, you need to understand the structure of how a commerce account works or commerce manager works in order to know how to delete it quickly. You, on top of everything on Facebook business, you have Facebook business manager. The manager has a Facebook ad manager where you run ads or when you create campaigns. Now it has a commerce manager where you actually do everything commerce related. You can sell product on Facebook, you can sell product on Instagram, and maybe they will allow you to sell product on WhatsApp as well. Now you have an events manager right here, which allows you to collect everything that happens on Facebook or outside Facebook, like on your website. It allows you to track all the events, like who exactly is viewing your pages, who is viewing the add to cart, who is purchasing the product, and it allows you to retarget those people. Now under the commerce manager, you have these. You have a catalog manager, and the catalog is actually like a basket where you can import product from your website. Okay, directly you import them on your website, and once you have actually added a catalog manager, you can create a Facebook shop and an Instagram shop, and from that Facebook, so the commerce manager you can create commerce account underneath, and for each Facebook shop you create, it will be associated with a commerce account. Now for a commerce account, you can add a Facebook shop and an Instagram shop as sales channels. And to have a successful Facebook shop, you need to have a business Facebook page approved for monetization. And also for Instagram, you need to have an Instagram business page approved for shopping. Once you are on your dashboard, okay, this is your Facebook dashboard. To access the commerce manager, which contains all your shops, you come here and you click on commerce manager. Look, for example, I have multiple shops. Okay, now you have shops here and you have catalogs there. Exactly like I explained here, you will have a catalog manager where you can manage all your catalog, and you have shops. So shops and then catalogs. These are the catalogs that I've imported on my commerce manager, and these are the shops that I have created. Some of them are approved, all others are not approved, and each of those shops is associated with a commerce account. So for example, let's say I want to delete this one, for example. I will click on that, and now once you've opened the shop, you scroll down here, you click on settings, and then right here, okay, so you have catalog, business asset, orders, finance, blah 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 blah. Now if you have associated, okay, let me just go back here. Like I said, you have sales channels. Sales channels is where you can add a Facebook business page and an Instagram business account. Now my shop, for example, is not approved for shopping because the page that I associated with this commerce account was not approved for monetization, and that was one of the mistakes that I did. So if I want to deactivate this commerce account now, I will scroll down, go in settings, and then under general here, commerce account, I will click on edit, and I will click here on deactivate commerce account. There is one big problem when you're trying to deactivate a commerce account. If your commerce account is not approved, then you will not be able to deactivate it. I am telling you. And there are other reasons why you cannot deactivate a commerce account. So first of all, let me try to deactivate. If I click here on deactivate commerce account, I will enter my password. So if I enter my Facebook password, I'm talking about your normal Facebook password, and you click on confirm, deactivate commerce account. If you choose to deactivate a commerce account, it will immediately become inaccessible. You won't be able to reactivate your account or access any information. You can download inside data for this account before deactivating. We will store your commerce account information for compliance and business integrity purposes, meaning that if you were running shady businesses with your commerce account, maybe taking a lot of orders and not fulfilling them, they will be able to track you and for business integrity purpose and transparency. And now you need to select the reason. Maybe I am having issue with my account, I don't understand how to use Commerce Manager, I'm closing my business, whatever reason. Other reason, you need to provide the reason here, exactly why you're deactivating. And before you deactivate, to quickly save your insight, to not lose your insight, you come here on your dashboard on Commerce Manager, you select the commerce account that you want, and then you come here on the insight, and on the performance, you will see everything that is sales related, people's behavior, the traffic, the website and offline event. If you click here on export to CSV, you will be able to export all the data in a CSV file before deleting. If you come here on the product tag, content, discovery, and then catalog, you can export all the details right here. And on the audience, which is probably the most important one, you can export all the details, the visitors to new visitors, whoever returned to your website, and then the buyers, the new buyers, and the returning buyers. You can get all those details with their data and export them to a CSV file, okay, before deleting your account. I think they can serve you, so do that first. And then once you've written your reason, you click on deactivate account. Now you see right now it's saying permission denied. I cannot deactivate my commerce account because it's violating integrity policies and it's not eligible to engage into commerce. Meaning this, if your shop is not approved or if it's disapproved and your Facebook page is already tied to it, you cannot deactivate this. Okay, you will need to fix whatever problem that is with your commerce account. Have your commerce account running normally before deactivating. Now you have the option to contact support right there, and if you click on contact support, you will be able to land on this page where you can say, okay, I want Facebook contact support with an account setup, inventory, report a technical issue, appealing a rejected product, or shops. Now you can say I have a problem with something else, and then this is where you actually write everything that is going on. If for example you want to delete a shop and it's not allowing you, you can for example ask them why is that you cannot delete your shop, and then ask them to provide you detail on how to fix it. Okay, and from here you can enter in a chat or you can enter in an email. If you have for example screenshot of how everything is normal with your shop, you can add them there. You click on send, someone else will contact you via email. Okay, this is your email that you've put right there, and they will be able to help you with the process. Now one of the reasons why people actually have their shop not approved is because, like I said here, once you to be able to have an approved Facebook shop, you need to have an approved Facebook business page, approved for monetization. And this is the problem that I had here. And not only you have to have a Facebook business approved for monetization, but also your catalog also does not have to have issues. So if I come here on the items and then issues, right here is where you can see whatever issues is with your catalog and be able to fix it. So if you have a lot of errors, you can click here for example on review and then find whatever problem that is and fix it, or you can request a review of a rejected item. It really depends. How do you check whether your page is approved for monetization or not? Now you need to use Facebook Creator Studio. So if I go here on Facebook Creator Studio monetization right there, if I click right here, and I am connected already with my Facebook account, now I open this. If I scroll down right here, These are the pages that allows me to see whether my page is eligible for monetization or not. If I scroll down, these are all my pages. Here, it's telling me this page, the page that are associated with a commerce account and that I'm trying to delete. It's saying here, your page is not eligible for monetization. Policy issues. You click here to see what are the potential policy issues. Now, here again, you scroll down, you select your page, which is this one, right? The reason why my page is not approved for monetization is because it's sharing content that is not original, or it's repurposed from other sources, thus it's adding limited value. So if you're posting, for example, picture from somewhere else and then you're not adding value, your page will not be eligible for monetization. Therefore, you will need to delete that content, post only original content in order to have this page approved for monetization. Okay, and then once you actually fix that problem, you can actually contact them the way I just show you how to contact them. So once you fix that Facebook page problem, you can now contact them and ask them to assist you to deactivate the commerce account, because right now you cannot. Other way you can also delete a commerce account or remove a commerce account, maybe, let me try that, is if you actually remove that page from your Facebook business manager. Because remember, if I go here and I go on business settings and I go on the pages, these are all the pages that I have already added into the business manager. Okay, and to add a page, you click here, you add a page, or you can request access to a page, or you can create a new page. But this is the page that I've added to the business manager. What if I remove it? Will it remove the commerce account? Well, let me check that. So if I click here on remove page, so first of all, we have the commerce account, which is this one. What if I remove the page associated with that commerce account? If I click here on the remove, let me see if it's going to remove it from that business manager. So it says now page cannot be removed. It's associated with a commerce account and cannot be moved. Please disable the commerce account first before trying again. You see, this is the problem. Fix the issues associated with your Facebook page first. Deactivate your commerce account and then remove the page. Okay, once your page is locked on a commerce account, you cannot remove, and the commerce account has a problem, you can't remove it here. I've run into multiple issues and I've emailed back and forth several times with Facebook support, and the main problem kept persisting. It's like they're asking me to fix everything with my page first, but I cannot delete the content that is on my page because a lot of people use it. And then one of the other reasons why your shop will not be approved is whether you have verified your website that you're trying to add your catalog from. So if your website is not verified in the Facebook Business Manager, your shop will not be approved. So verify your Facebook, your website first. And I have this video to show you how to do that. I'll put the link down below. So I have this video. I have another video on how to create a Facebook shop, and I have an upcoming video on how to create an Instagram shop. So all those videos will be able to help you. Check out my channel, subscribe if you want more updated content and really content related to Facebook shop, Facebook ad, Facebook business, Instagram growth, blogging, SEO, and more. Until next time, take good care of yourself. Love you guys. Peace.
Every 60 seconds, a like button goes without being smashed, but you could help. For the low cost of free, you could smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and in return, I will draw a picture of the like button as my token of appreciation. So thank you so much, and remember, you could make a difference for the like button and the YouTube algorithm just with one simple tap.
And don't forget to smash like and subscribe. Thank you.